Good morning, everybody. Today we have a revision for topic 15. So all of you open page number 841. So after that, for each student, you have to bring a pencil and ruler because I will draw graph here. So question number one, Liz and Farid each start a new saving account. Liz starts her account with $75. Farid starts his account with $100 each month. Both save another $50. So I have here three parts. So start from part one. I said before to solve the number, you have three steps to solve it. Number one, you have to complete the table. Number two, you have to graph the order pair or plot it. Number three, you have to find the relation between them. So first one or first part here, complete the table now. So let's say here start from $75 and read here $100. So after 1 month, I will add 50 to each one. So I have here 50 plus 75, so it will be 125. After that, when we add 50 also to 125, so it will be $175. Third month, I have $225, and the last month it will be $275. But about Farid now, I have here $100. So if we add 100 to 50 now, so it will be $150. In the second month, I have here $200, and the third month 250, and last month it will be $300. Okay, part B. Here choose all of order pair that represent the amount Liz and Farid have each saved. So firstly, I have here the table. $50 and 75, so no 70 and 50 here, 75 and 50 here for Liz and Farid. So I didn't choose that. After that, $75 and 100, yeah, that's it. So start here. Liz and Farid start for these numbers or this amount of amount. Number three, I have 125 and 150. I don't have here 125 or 150. Yeah, that's it. I have it. So I will choose it now. 150, 200. Yeah, that's it. I have here 150 and 200. But I have here 100 now dollars and 200 also for Farid. So here, no corresponding number because I would have to choose the corresponding number 150. So the corresponding number for it is 125, not 200. So I didn't choose it. I lost one, 275 and 300 with the fourth ones. But see, we have to find the relationship between them. Here directly we'll start from the greatest now, and we will say the amount Farid has saved is almost 25 greater than amount of Liz has saved. Because if we make a subtraction between them, so we have directly the difference between them is $25. So directly Farid has saved is almost $25 greater than the amount of Liz has saved. So that's it, guys. After that, let's continue. Here I have complete the table to show how many bones are and kings in all are in different numbers of each or the chess sets. So we have to use the rule now. Add 16 and add 2. Add 16 from the first one bones and add 2 for kings. So here the first set for bones it will be 16 and for king it will be 2. Then I will add 16 to pawns and I will add 2 to kings. So here number 2 I will add 16, so it will be 32. The third set it will be 48 because each time I will add 16. So also add 16 again and it will be 64, and last one it will be 80. We have to do it by another way because if we multiply 1 by 16 it will be 16, multiply 16 by 2 it will be 32, multiply 16 by 3 it will be 48. So all of them are the same. You have to add each time 16 and multiply by 1, 2, 3, and so on. The second one, kings, here I have number 1, it will be 2, and the second set it will be 4, and each also adds 2, so it will be 6, and last 2 it will be 8, and 5 sets it will be, or 5th sets it will be 10. Then after that, part B. Use the total number of bones and king to form order pairs. Yeah, and graph the order pairs blue. So I have here directly the table now. So each two corresponding number like 16 and 2 is called order pairs, guys. So here I will write 16, 2. So when we draw here graph, so we can determine the number of bonds on x-axis, okay, like horizontal line or number line, and we can determine the number of kings vertically, okay, for or in y-axis. So directly here I will start from 0 for origin, 0 x-axis and y-axis. After that jump 20, so each two squares means 20, guys. So each time I will add 20, so 20 plus 20 it will be 40 plus 20 60 plus 20 80, okay, because I have here the last number is 80. Then the number of kings here, the smaller one is 2 and the greater one is 10. So directly I will write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here determine, or we can plot the order pair now in the grid. Here I have 16 for bonds and 2 for kings. So 16 here for bonds, so number on x-axis. So I will start directly from the origin point and move right to number 16 just before 20 and go up to number 2. So the intersection point here, this is the point we can determine by the order pair 16, 2. Then I have here 32 and 4. This is considered order pair now. So 32 now, it will be, we can show the number lies between 20 and 40, it will be 30 and jump 2, okay, or count 2 lines now. So go up to number 4. So the intersection point here is determine the point or the order pair 32, 4, comma 4. After that 48, 6. So I will find 48, go move right to 48 and go up to number 6 now. So the intersection point here is 48, 6. Then 64 also 8, and last one it will be 80 and 10 together. Okay, the numbers now we can form here order pairs and graph it. But see here, what would the order pair 9612 represent? So here, when we go back to number, here is 9612. So when we talk about it, so it represents here when there are 96 bones, there will part of the order pair is bones, and the second one is talk about kings. Okay, so here when we talk about 96, so 96 here determine for bones and 12 it will be kings here. So we can represent it by when there are 96 bones, there will be 12 kings. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you. See you later.